क्लास 9th। आज हम सोशल साइंस की वर्कशीट 67 करेंगे जो हिस्ट्री के चैप्टर 2 सोशलिज्म इन यूरोप एंड द रशियन रेवोल्यूशन से रिलेटेड है। एंड यह आपकी रिवीजन 2 वर्कशीट है इस चैप्टर के। तो ये वर्कशीट हम दो पार्ट्स में करेंगे। दिस विल बी योर पार्ट ए। इसमें हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे 1 to 10 क्वेश्चन करेंगे। रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन 11 to 20 हम अपने पार्ट 2 वीडियो में करेंगे। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वर्कशीट 67 पार्ट ए। दिस वर्कशीट इज़ ऑन 3 to 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट वाज सोशलिस्ट आइडियाज़। इसका आंसर है आंसर नंबर 1, सोशलिस्ट आइडियाज़ वर first, they were against private property and saw it as the root cause of all social evils. 2. They were concerned with personal gains, profits only, and not with the welfare of those who made the property productive, that is worker. 3rd, they wanted a society control property rather than the individual own, as that would pay more attention to the social interest. Now question number 2. Which countries were included in two different groups in First World War? So answer number 2. In 1914, First World War broke out between two European alliances, Germany, Austria and Turkey, the Central Powers, and France, Britain and Russia, later joined by Italy and Romania and USA in 1917. Now question number 3. Who were liberals and what did liberals think about private property? Now answer number 3. Liberals were a group of people who wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. They also opposed the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. They wanted to safeguard the rights of individual against government. There are many branches of liberal thought. First, classical liberal thinkers view private property rights as massively important. 2. Progressive thinkers. To progressive thinkers, fair distribution of wealth is much more important than protecting private property rights. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. Who were the Mir in Russian society? So, answer is the Mir in Russian society, a self-governing community of peasant households that elected its own officials and controlled local forests, fisheries, hunting grounds and vacant lands. Now question number 5. Explain the incident of Bloody Sunday related with Russian Revolution and what was its impact on Russia. Now answer number 5. Bloody Sunday. Bloody Sunday, when the procession of workers led by Father Gapon reached the Winter Palace, it was attacked by police and the Cossacks. Cossacks were the secret police. Over 100 workers were killed and about 300 wounded. The incident known as Bloody Sunday. The Bloody Sunday started the series of events that became known as the 1905 Revolution. Strikes all over the country and universities closed down. Lawyers, doctors, engineers and other middle-class workers all started demanding constitution. Thus, the aftermath brought about a short-lived revolution in which the Tsar lost control of large areas of Russia. This was answer number 5. Now, question number 6. What were the views of Karl Marx about socialism? So, answer number 6. Karl Marx's theory about socialism. Karl Marx was of the opinion that an industrial society was a capitalist society. B. Second one, Capitalists earn profit because of the labor of workers. So the workers had the right over profits. Third, the main aim of the capitalist is to make profits. To increase profits, the capitalist uses two methods. Either he does this by reducing wages of worker or by increasing the working hours. Fourth, Marx believed that to free themselves from capitalists, the workers had to unite. Fifth one, the workers had to construct a radically socialist society where all means of production and properties were socially controlled. This was answer number 6. Now question number 7. Liberals were not Republicans. Explain the statement. So answer number 7 is liberals were Republicans. They supported the system of an elected government and leader rather than a king or queen. Rather, they were not Democrats, as they did not believe in universal adult franchise. That is the right of every citizen to vote. Men of property should have right to vote. They also did not want the vote for. They did not also want the vote for women. This was answer number 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8. What was the collectivization program of Stalin? Elaborate. So answer number 8. Collectivization. Stalin started the collectivization program in Russia. Under this, the peasants were forced to cultivate in collective form called kolkhoz. The bulk of land and implements were transferred to the ownership of collective farms. Third, peasants worked on the land and the kolkhoz profits was shared. Enraged peasants resisted the authorities and destroyed the livestock. Number of cattle fell by 1/3 between 1929 and 1931. Fifth, those who resisted were severely punished and many of them deported and exiled. This was answer number 8. Now question number 9. Who were Bolsheviks and how were they different from Mensheviks? So answer is Bolshevik represented a majority of socialists who wanted revolution and controlled by proletariat only. The main difference of Bolshevik and Menshevik are: first, Bolshevik meant a member of the majority, but Menshevik means a member of the minority. 2. Bolsheviks were under leadership of Vladimir Lenin, but Mensheviks, Julius Martov at the head of the Mensheviks. Third, Bolshevik favored a disciplined party to control the members and quality of members. Mensheviks were liberals and were open to all and wanted to work within the system. Fourth, Bolshevik believed that Russia could directly go from an absolute monarchy to a communist society, while Mensheviks believed in going ahead step by step to make the country communist. Now question number 10. What were the reasons of the Tsar regime not becoming popular with the common people? Why was Tsar unpopular? So answer number 10. Reasons of the Tsar regime not becoming popular with the common people were: first, he was an autocratic ruler. Second, poor condition of both peasants and workers. Next one, devastation of Russia in First World War. Fourth, the Tsarina Alexandra's German origin. She was Tsar's wife. And poor advisors, especially a monk called Rasputin, made the authority unpopular. Fifth, shortages of food grain for the people. So, this was answer number 10. तो हमारी वर्कशीट 67 पार्ट ए यहाँ फिनिश होती है. 11 to 20 क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट में करेंगे.